Right now we're going to put together the gingerbread bag. And the boy and the girl go together the same way. So I'm going to put together the girl. Right now I'm going to prepare my buttons for the front. And I cut 3. I think the file may only come with 2, but I like 3 buttons. So if you want to do 3, just do 1 extra one. I've already prepared 2 of them. And then I'm going to put together the 3rd one. I've also already put on the frosting. This is another very simple bag, box bag. I'm going to pop the center. Yes, I can. I made this bag a little bit smaller than the original bag. I put in the description that these bags were easily sized down, and I'll pull over the original one here in just a minute to show you the size difference. And I'm going to pop the bow bottom as well. And there she is. So that comes with a front and a back if you want. The bag works without the back being put on it. And now I'm going to assemble the bag. I've already folded everything on all the score marks. And line this up from the bottom, because as you can see, the top is a little higher than the edge of the box, and that will throw off the bottom if you try to line it up from the top. I'm going to completely put the bag together before I glue on the gingerbread so that I don't accidentally glue her to the sides. And then I'm just going to put the bottom on. I'm going to grab a tool to help me adhere the bottom. Make sure my head stays out of this shot. To apply just a little more glue here. This is why I like the fine tip bottles. They can fit right into those tight spaces. Before you put the bag together, you want to make sure to fold all these sides, and this is so that the bag will go shut. And because I put a head on both sides, this is how you can get by without putting a piece on the back, and you can use these or tie a bow around the neck to close the bag. Here on the body, I'm gonna just keep it away from the edges because I know the arms hang over and a little bit of the dress does as well. And I don't want my glue showing. That's the front side. And then I've got a piece for the back. I put it over too far, so the glue was showing there on the side. And there she is, quick and simple. You just need a piece of ribbon. Excuse me while I step over to get the original bags. And here they are. Her, I originally put the back on, but not the frosting, I see. Him, I didn't put the back on. And there's the size difference, how I sized it down. And as you can see, it still works fine. I didn't bring any ribbon over with me, so I'll just steal his. And you just tie it shut. Definitely another project easy enough to work on with the kids. They go together quick enough to do them for a whole classroom if any of us see our children back in school next year. And that's it, the gingerbread treat box.